Hello my dear students, good afternoon all of you. Welcome back to your online class. Students, now your revision session is done. Now we move on further sessions. So students, here we are starting our further session, means further lessons. Students, before starting our sessions, let's check here today's thought. So today's quote is what all students? Today's quote is stop waiting for tomorrow. Start now, means you all students don't wait for tomorrow. Start now whatever you do. Okay students. Okay, one more thing students, what to do here now? Students, you do here take your book. Okay students, you take your book with you now. During the lectures you always sit with your books. Okay, and important topic and important things you always write. Which exercise we have done, which exercise we are going to do, learn, and which exercise cancel. So you must be mention in your books. Understood all students? Students, let's check here what we are going to learn. Today's agenda. Today we are going to learn, students, revision. Okay, first of all we all do the revision, then after multiplying by 9 means table 9 time tables, and then exercise number 4. Okay students, we have done exercise number 4a related to 7 time tables, means multiply by 7, and exercise number b means multiplying by 8, it means the table 8 times tables. So this both exercise we have done, and then now previous to the next we are going to learn multiply by 9, exercise number 4c. So I hope what we have done and what we have left. So students, now we move on exercise number 4c, but before starting exercise number 4c, before starting exercise number 4c, here we learn the 9 times table. What all students? Here we learn 9 time tables. Got my point all students? So now start here the revision of, means learn here the 9 times tables, and then after what to do all students? Then after question number 3, and then after question number 4, solve answer in the from of a sentence. Okay students, here one more thing, why I am not taking here the question number 1, 2, why I am taking here the directly question number 3 and 4? Because of question number 1 and question number 2 is both of related to activity. That's why we are not performing. Again and again I am telling you, in exercise number 4c, question number 1 and question number 2 both are cancelled. Only we do here the question number 3 and question number 4. Got my point all students? So now let's start here multiplying by 9 means table 9 times tables. Okay, got my point all students? Let's check here. So students, here we learn the table number 9 times tables, multiply by 9. So students, also when you learn the 9 times tables, you are learning only one new multiplication facts. Okay, what to do students? Already we have learned table number 7 in exercise number 4a, and table number 8 exercise number 4b. Okay, so what to do here? When you learn the 9 times tables, you learn only one new multiplication fact. Here only one new multiplication fact we are going to learn, but which one and new? Only one and new, but which? Okay, so now let's check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Here 9, number 9 and 9 times. Okay, so 9 plus 9 you do in your book now all students. 9 plus 9, how many students? 18. And then 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, how many? 27. 27 plus 9, 36. 36 plus 9, 45. 45 plus 9, 54. 54 plus 9, 63. 63 plus 9, 72. Okay, 60 3 plus 9 is equal to 72. 72 plus 9 is equal to 81. Got my point? So what we got here? Answer 81. Here 9 bowls. How many bowls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. In 9 bowls, how many marbles are in there? So now we count in one bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. 9 bowls are there, and in each bowl has 9 marbles. Okay, 9 bowls means 9 bowls is there in bowls. How many marbles are there? 9 marbles means 9 nines are how many, all students? 9 nines are 81. Okay, so 9 8s are 72. Okay, 72 plus 9. So how many? 72 plus 9? 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80 and 81. So it's made 81 means 9 nines are how many, all students? 9 nines are 81. Got my point, all students? This is your new multiplication facts. Only one new multiplication fact. Okay, 9 groups. Here how many groups are? 9 groups of 9, each has a 9. Is marbles are there in each bowls. How many marbles are there? Each bowls there are 9 marbles. Okay, so that's why we do 9 nines. 9 nines are 81. Got my point, all students? So here only we are learn the what? 9 nines are 81. Because of how can we revise the 9 ones are to 9 eights are? Because of we already know the table number 1 to 8. So 8 nines how many? 9. So 9 ones are 9. Is this same, all students? 1 nines are or 9 ones are, both are same. Okay, then after 2 nines are or 9 twos are. 2 nines are how many? 18. So 9 twos are also 18. Got my points? Then after 3 nines are 27. 3 nines are 27. So 9 threes are 27 also students. Okay, then after same things. 4 nines are 36. So 9 fours are 36. Opposite things are also same in the tables. So that's why 8 nines are 72 or 9 eights are 72. Both are same. But 9 nines are we are learn only new multiplication facts here. Got my points? So here we learn the new multiplication facts. 9 nines are 81. Got my point, all students? So now here we have we learned table number 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. Okay, here only we learn the one things. Which one? 9 nines are. Okay, so now let's check here full table. Okay, what I am told you, what answer of the we have learned this table? 1 nines are 9, 2 nines are 18, all students. Okay, those things we have learned. Those things are we are right. This a straight side, this opposite side, and this straight side. Okay, using the order properties. 2 nines are 18, 3 nines are 27, 4 nines are 36, 5 nines are 45, 6 nines are 54, 7 nines are 63, 8 nines are 72, and we have learned here 9 nines are 81 and 10 nines are 90. One more time I am here repeating for you all students. Here 1 nines are 9, 1 nines are 9, then after 2 nines are 18, 3 nines are 27, 4 nines are 36, 5 nines are 45, then after 6 nines are 54, 7 nines are 63, 8 nines are 72, then after 9 nines are 81 and 10 nines are 90. Okay, this opposite side. Now we are going to do a straight side. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, and 9 10s are 90. Got my point? Understood, all students? I hope you all are understood, and I hope you are learn with me table number 9. Again, I am repeating here 2 times for you all students. So please you write in your rough book. Otherwise, you speak with me and learn the table number 9. And you must be mandatory. You have learned the table number 9. Okay, all students. So 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, and 9 10s are 90. Got my point, all students? This is your all things is what to do. This is all things is table number 9. Okay, this is all table number 9, and those multiplication facts are using our further exercise. So you must be learn the table number 9. Got my point, all students? So students, again one time I am repeating you here, all students, for you. Okay, so again I am repeating you all students table number 9, and then we are going to further. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, and then after 9 9s are 81, then after 9 10s are 90. Okay, so students, I hope you all are know and you learn the table number 9. Now we move on multiplying 3-digit number. Before starting multiplying by 3-digit number, first of all we complete here what? First of all we complete here exercise number 4C. Okay students, what I am told you first, exercise number 4C. In exercise number 4C students, we are not performing question number 1 and question number 2. Directly we are move on question number 3, because of question number 1 and question number 2 both are related to the activity base. That's why we are not performing. Again and again I am telling you all students, please mention in your book, otherwise remember in your mind or keep it in your mind. Okay, question number exercise number 4C, question number 1 and 2 we are not performing. Question number 3 and 4 we are going to learn. Got my point, all students? So now here we are going to learn exercise number 4C. Question number 3, multiply. Okay, so now let's check here the question number A. Okay, this all question and this whole exercise number 4C whole entire exercise are related to based on a multiplying by 9, means 9 time tables. Got my point, all students? Understood? Okay, so now we move on. Okay, here multiplication. Okay, 1 2 and 3, 49 multiplied by 9, 49 multiplied by 9. So what to do here, all students? We know very well the table numbers 9s, and we remember the table number 9 for doing this. Okay, so here what to do? First of all multiply 9, multiply with 9, and then 9 multiply with 4. What, all students? 9 multiply with 9 and then 9 multiply with 4. Got my point, all students? 9 9s are how many, all students? 9 9s are how many, all students? 9 9s are 81. 1 here. Okay, 9 9s are 81. We have learned this already in these sessions. We have learned the new fact. Which new multiplication fact we learn? 9 9s are 81. We learn. So here we put these things. 9 9s are 81. So 1 here and 8 as a form of carry. Then after 9 4s are 9 4s are how many, all students? 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, and 9 4s are 36. We know directly 9 4s are 36, but we forgot, so we speak as like that sequence wise. Okay, as the order wise. Okay, sequentially. So 9 4s are 36, we know, but 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 24, sorry, 9 3s are 27, and 9 4s are 36. Got my point? So 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 8, 36 plus 8. So count with me, all students. 36 plus 8, so 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. So answer is what? 44. So 4 here and 4 here. So what we got here? Answer, all students, 441. Okay, 441. 49 multiplied by 9 is equal to 441. We got. Understood, all students? 400 and what, all students? 49 multiplied by 9 is equal to, we got 441. Understood, all students? Okay, now I hope you all are understood, and now we move on question number B. Let's check here what is the question number B. So question number B is what, all students? Question number B is 92 multiplied by 9. What, all students? 92 multiplied by 9. So what to do here? First, this 9 multiply with 2, then 9, and this 9 multiply by this 9, means 9 9s are. First of all, we do 9 2s are, then after 9 9s are. Understood? So students, now let's solve here this multiply. Okay, so first of all, what to do here? We do here. Okay, what to do here, all students? 9 9. Okay, here 9 2s are. 9 2s are what, all students? 9 2s are 18. Okay, 2 9s are 18, or 9 2s are 18. So 8 here, and 1 is a form of carry, multiplication, form of multiplication. Got my point, all students? Understood? Okay, so now 9 2s are 18, 8 here, and 1 is a form of carry. Then after 9 9s are, 9 9s are how many, all students? 9 9s are 81. Okay, so 81 plus 1. 81 plus 1, so 82. Understood, all students? 81 plus 1, 82. So what we got here? Answer, we got here the 828. What we got here, all students? 828. Got my point, all students? So now 92 multiplied by 9 is equal to 828. What? 92 multiplied by 9 is equal to 828. Understood, all students? Then after we move on question number C. Okay, last question of question number 3. Okay, so what is the question number C? 99 multiplied by 9. What, all students? 99 multiplied by 9. So what to do here, all students, my dear students? 9, first of all, 9 multiply with this 9, and 9 multiply with this 9. So 9 9s are, and then again 9 9s are. Okay, so we do here the 9 9s are 81. So 1 here, and 8 is a form of carry. Understood? 9 9s are 81. So 1 here, and 8 is a form of carry. Then after again 9 9s are how many? 81. 81 plus 8. So 81 plus 8. So how can we solve 81 plus 8? 81 plus 8. So 81 plus 1, 2, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So what we have got here? Answer 891. What we have got answer here, all students? Here we got 891. Got my point, all students? We got 890. 99 multiplied by 9 is equal to 891. Got my point, all students? Okay, I hope you all are understood. Now students, we are move on exercise number 4C, question number 4. First of all, question number 1 and 2 we have done. No students. Question number 1 and question number 2 we are not performing. Okay, question number 1 and question number 2 we are not performing, means question number 1 and 2 both are cancelled, but we have done the question number 3. Again and again I am repeating you all students. Okay, so question number 3 is done, and now we are going to learn a question number 4. So students, now start here thus question number 4. What is the question number 4? Solve answer in the form of a sentence. Okay, solve answer, we have a right answer in form of the sentence. So now let's check here how can we do this. Okay, so now let's check here what is the question number 1. Okay, let's check here. So students, here what is the questions? Let's check here the question. In one box has a 15 balls. How many balls in one separate box has a 15 balls are there, and how many balls are there in 9 box? So we have to find here how many balls there are in a 9 box. Okay, we have a 9 box. Okay, in 9 box how many balls are there? Okay, in one box 15 balls there. On basis of this data, what to do? We should do the multiplication and we find the answer. Okay, so 15 balls. Okay, 15, what is the 15? 15 is data of one box has how many balls? 15. And 9, what is a 9? 9 is box there. Okay, so what to do here? 9 5s are how many, all students? 9 5s are 15. 5 here and 4 is a form of carry. Okay, 9 5s are, first of all we 9 multiply with 5 and 9 multiply with 1. 50 balls are in one box and 9 box are there. So we should be here find how many balls are there in 9 box. Understood all students? 9 5s are 45. So 5 here and 4 is a form of carry. 9 5s are 45. 4 here and 5 is a form of carry. Then after 9 ones are how many, all students? 9. Okay, 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 4, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So we should be right here as like that 13. Understood? We should here write that 13. So answer is what got? 50 multiplied by 9. So 135. So what should be right? There are sentence as a form of, how can we write? There are 135 balls in 9 boxes. Okay, there are 135 balls in 9 boxes. Okay, in one box has 15 balls, so 135 balls are there in a 9 box. Understood? Got my point, all students? This is your question number 1. Again I am repeating you all students. In one box has a 15 balls. Okay, how many balls? One box has 15 balls, and how many balls are there in 9 box? So 15 multiplied by 9. 15 multiplied by 9 is equal to 135. What we got? 135. So there are 135 balls are in 9 balls. First of all we do here the we do the multiplication. 15 multiplied by 9. 15 multiplied by 9 is equal to 135. Okay, so now we move on question number B. Okay, so what is the question number B? Let's check here the question number B. Okay, so students, here the question number B is what, all students? Let's check here the question number B. Okay, question number B is what? 9 CDs in a box. 9 CD is a one box. How many CDs are there in a 25 boxes? CDs means what? A CD. Okay, you have seen any video, movies, as like CDs are available in market, this type of CDs. Okay, so 9 CD in a one box and how many CDs are there in 25 box? Okay, this is ball question. Okay, first of all we learn the question for a box. Okay, so students, what to do here? Here 9 CD in a one box, so we should be right here. We here write the 9 box. Okay, and then 25. What is 25? 25 boxes. Okay, so how many CDs are there in a 25 box? Got my point, all students? Okay, so now here what to do? Here we multiply. Okay, so 25 multiplied by 9, 25 multiplied by 9, all students. So 9 5s are, first of all 9 multiply with 5, then after 9 multiply with 2, 9 5s are 45, so 5 here and 4 is a form of carry. Okay, 20 okay, so 9 5s are 45, so 5 here and 4 is a form of carry. So we got, all students, so we got 225. What we got? 225. So there are 225 CDs in 25 boxes. Understood? Again I am repeating you, all students, 9 CDs in a box. Okay, how many CDs? 9 CDs in a box. How many CDs are there in a 25 boxes? Understood, all students? 9 CDs in a box. How many CDs are there in a 25 box? So 25 multiplied by 9. So 9 5s are 45. 5 here and 4 is a form of carry. And then 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So here we wrote the 22. 2, 2 and okay, 2, 2. Okay, so what we got? 25 multiplied by 9 is equal to 225. Understood, all students? 225. So what should we write? That there are 225 CDs in 25 boxes. Okay, understood? I hope you all are understood betterly. Got my point, all students? What we have done, again I am repeating you, all students, we have done what? Multiplying by table number 9. Okay, now students, you all students pick with me table number 9, and then after what to do, what to learn today. Okay, first of all I am telling you here. Okay, here we students, we are completing here exercise number 4, exercise number 4C, question number 3 and question number 4 we have done here. Okay, which question we have done? Question number 3 and question number 4. Okay, again I am telling you because of you forgot these all things, all students. Question number 1 and question number 2 we are not performing. What, all students? Question number 1 and question number 2 we are not performing. That's why what to do, all students? Okay, that's why we do directly go on question number 3 and question number 4. Understood? In question number 3 multiply A, B and C question, and question number 4 solve answer in the form of sentence. In question number 4 we have learned the two question, one example of ball and one example of CDs. Okay, so these all things students you have to write in your fair book one time. Okay, and table number 9 5 times you have a write in your rough book. Okay, all students, again I am telling you what is your today's homework. Today's homework is what, all students? Today's is your homework is table number 9 5 times. How many times? 5 times. Okay, and table number 1 to 10 is 1 time. Okay, what is your homework? Again I am repeating you, all students. Table number 1 to 10 1 time, and table number 9, only table number 9, it's a 5 times. Understood? I hope you all are understood. Okay, students, so now students we move on further things. Okay, what is the new things? In next sessions we are going to multiply with a 3-digit number. What all students? Multiply with 3-digit number. So students, in next lecture we are going to learn, learn 3-digit number. Okay students, so in next lecture we are going to learn multiply by 3-digit number. Okay, all things you should be write in your fair book. Okay, I hope you all are understood and I hope you enjoying my lecture. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you all students. Thank you so much.